Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So today we got something just a little bit different. Today I'm gonna pretty much show you how can you get pretty cool stuff, in this case pretty cool consoles from Japan in a platform called jpfans.com. I have done a sponsored video already with them, and I pretty much like the results. I have in fact buy a Super Nintendo for test. I believe that I already received it. Pretty nice, super cheap. I believe I pay just 12 euros just for testing. It came out quite nice, super fast, and without any problems. And a couple of days after that, I found a super good deal in a PlayStation 2 Special Edition. I hope this one right here. And after that, I decided to buy two more Nintendo 64 special editions, and that two Nintendo 64 I decided to record the whole process, and that's the what I'm gonna show you today. So pretty much I'm gonna show you the whole process from start to the end until the payment. And of course I'm not gonna show you the unboxing of the Nintendo 64 because I don't get it yet, but I got this one right here, which I believe is the PlayStation 2. So yeah, without losing any more time, let's dig in. So as you can see, you just go to jpfans.com, and here you have some markets available. Of course you have the Mercari, you have the JDirect items shopping, you have the JDirect item flea market. They have a coming soon auction, which I believe it will be amazing. And of course you have Amazon and the new Min and Surugaya. So I believe, for me at least, that works better is the flea market. And the flea market is, of course, as the name suggests, used things, and you just need to type whatever you want to search. For me, I use this JP Fans website for electronic things, especially consoles. So as I was saying earlier, I'm looking at this time for a Nintendo 64. I was looking for a Pikachu version or even that translucent version, and as you can see I have one right here. Still a bit out of my price range, but I'm hoping to find something cool. And there we go, a clear blue. I'm not looking for a super clean console. As you know me, I like to buy something that I can restore. If I can buy it cheap, even better. So as you can see, we have 10 pieces of set Mario Kart Smash Tennis, 22 euros. We have a lot of cool prices right here, so let me do a quick search. 91 euros for a boxed Nintendo 64. It's pretty much impossible to find a deal like this in Portugal. 47 euros for a complete set with two controllers. It's also very interesting, so I will. 39 euros for a complete set, also very interesting. Another translucent, yes, midnight blue console, yes, very nice. 54 euros. As you can see, just in a couple of minutes or seconds of search, another Pikachu orange. Wow, I never see an orange Pikachu. 176 euros. It's a little bit off my price range, but if you are that kind of collector, I believe that 176 maybe on your price range. It's not on my price range. Oh my god, 61 euros. I'm gonna check that as well. One unopened Nintendo 64 prototype. What? I'm not gonna buy it, but I will check that as well. So as you can see, if you want something with an outstanding or different, you need to check out this website in Japan, because you will find so many cool things here. So yeah, I will stop searching for now. and I will just have a look on the tabs that I've opened. Just what the hell is that? A prototype? It's Analog 3D Ghost console. Seems like a 3D printed version. Anyway, so this gold version seems pretty nice, in pretty good condition. Again, as you can see, the consoles have definitely some marks, as you can see right here. But anyway, 61 euros. This console here in Portugal, at least 150, 200 euros easy. So yeah, I will definitely add this one to cart. So yeah, I will add this one to cart. A deal. Of course, you need to translate this text right here to kind of need more information about it, if the console is working or not. As you can see, all of the operation is confirmed, so the console is completely working, right? This one. But as I said earlier, if the console is still with some problems for me, it's okay. I can try repair it, or just simple replace the interior for another one that I have in stock. But anyway, we have a very interesting deal right here. 2 64s and 2 cubes, 79.65. I will have this one as well. So currently to cart, so let me go to my cart. So as you can see, this is previous versions that I add to cart. I will try to pay both of this. So basically you need to select and click submit. So as you can see, it says 106 euros. Let me just check if I have yeah, I will buy both of them. Confirm, and as you can see, it will show you some disclaimers of shopping agent, and some you need to you may be interested in read that advertise. So you need to confirm, select the shipping destination, and as you can see, it's done. So basically all you need to know is click on I have read and agree, and click on buy, and select your payment method. As you can see, I have some currently available balance, so I have on my credit 100 euros, so I need to top up 99 euros. So but you can select debit card, Ideal, Google Play, or Pay Now. Pay your amount. So I will just top up the rest of the 9 euros that is missing. So I have already top up my balance. As you can see, I have now 111 euros, which is enough to pay the rest of the order. But as you can see, if you wanna select one of the payments, you just need to change the payments. You still have one of here collapsed, the Blick payment. So I believe for most of us, the Google Pay or the credit card is most suitable. Ideal, Pay Now, or Blick, I don't even know them. But anyway, so I will just click on pay, and as you can see, product order payment completed, and you can now move on to your orders. As you can see, my orders are here. So basically now your orders are pending, and what is gonna happen is that JP Fans is gonna buy the 2 items for the sellers, and it's gonna move them to their warehouse. After that, it's gonna inspect them to kind of see if the items it's match with the description and with the pictures, and after that we'll notify you about the fees to pay for the transportation to your country. After you pay the fees, it will confirm the dispatch, and after that we'll move on to the transport. So you need to basically wait to your transportation. Of course, in your country, when the order arrives, you may need to pay some taxes as well, but with some low prices as this ones, I believe it may justify the price. So as you can see, the search, payment, and the rest of the process is really clear. So from now on, we'll be passing some couple of weeks, so I will wait until one of these orders arrive, and after that I will show you how the package came, and I will do an unboxing. So until then, stick with me. So, and I don't know, 3 to maybe 3 weeks after I shot that little screen record about the order that I made from Japan, we got the first order. I believe this is the PlayStation 2 Midnight Blue, so it will not be the Nintendo 64 that I ordered with you directly. This is the first order that I have made a couple of days earlier, so this is the first one to arrive, and I want to do a quick live unboxing to kind of show you how the package is done. So once you have the PlayStation or the console in their warehouse, you will receive a note. So basically, when the process is you buy the console or the product, the JP fans buy the product from the seller and store the products in their warehouse, and after that they will send you a picture of the product to kind of check if there is the product you buy, and after that they will proceed with the shipping costs so you can pay, of course, and before that, of course, you need to confirm that the product is in fact what you bought. So as you can see, the package is a normal package. There's no special package. You can, I believe, pay some kind of extra taxes for a special package. You can pay a little fee to have a video of the product before you receive it, but as you can see, it came out quite well packaged with some extra foam, and as you can see, all well packaged. So as I said earlier, this is the PlayStation 2. So I have the cable, I have the power cord, I have the controller, and of course I have the magnificent PlayStation 2. So let me just quick get the box out of the way. Again, as you can see, it's a normal box, nothing special. I don't pay any extra fees, any extra taxes. So they ship in a normal box. But as you can see, the package arrived without any damage at all. In fact, the console has just a little scratch here, but this scratch is already in the listing, so that's why it's a little bit cheaper. But it is fully functional. In fact, it's quite amazing. It's quite beautiful, and as you can see, the cables and the controller as well came out with the cords well tight, well nice. Of course, if you buy a product, in the case the controller, it's just a little bit dirty, nothing too special. The JP fans won't do any cleaning process, any extra nothing. So they bought the product from the seller. They inspect the product according to the listing to kind of be sure that the product is in fact what you buy. They provide you the shipping costs. You pay the shipping costs before they send you, and after that you'll just need to wait for the product to arrive. As you can see, the whole process is very simple. You will receive a couple message telling the state of the process. If you have, or if the JP fans have some doubts about the process, have some questions, they will contact by message in the JP fans platform. So give it a try. You will find amazing deals as well. So yeah, that's all for today. I would just want to do this quick video to kind of show you this amazing platform. So if you have any doubts, feel free to question me in the comments or just email me. I will help you whatever I can. That will be all for today. I hope I can get you in the next one.